Hey, what's up? This is a deadbolt from the Dollar General. I also got this whack-ass monster. Dollar General. Doesn't feel premium, you know, but shall we give it the zip test? Here we go. I think these are all standard. A little trouble pushing that out, so it's because I've skeletonized that fucking core. Oh, that's so annoying. Why do you do this to me? Why? All right, we're back, and this fucking thing. All right, this thing is so shitty. They have skeletonized the core so much that if you try and remove this without a shim in, you will bind the entire lock up. Instead, popped this top plate here. That is not the normal process. I mean, that was about what I thought, right? Like, wait, what is that? Are you? Okay. Do you see this bullshit? They think these are spools. That's fucking cute, man. That's cute as shit. These key pins are transferred the same on both sides. These look ugly as fuck too. Fucking rounded ass key pins. That shear line is enormous. Enormous. This is not okay. 1, 2, and 3 are these. They have these weird. You see that? Serrations almost at the top. And then these look like spools that were in a thresher accident. And then there's this bullshit here. I know we're obsessed with GLP-1s right now, but this is getting ridiculous.